Welcome to Ehcolo. Did you have a nice flight? Then come with me inside. Ehcolo is manufacturing many different models of palletizers and supplying to all over the world. Not only palletizers, but also turnkey packing lines consisting of bagging, palletizing, stretch wrapping and hood stretching lines. So please now join me on a tour around the Ehcolo facilities. Now we are in the sales office, and here is Ole Andersen, my son and co-owner, who will take over as CEO after me. Ehcolo was founded here in 1987 and is a privately owned shareholding company. Ehcolo is situated in the southern part of Denmark, approximately 80 kilometers north of the German border. There is only a half an hour's drive to the international airport, Billund. And in Billund we also have the famous Legoland. So if you come here, which you are welcome to, please bring your kids, then they will have some fun.
My name is Søren Ramsgaard. I'm electrical manager here at Ehcolo and will now give you a short introduction to our control system. All our palletizers are standardly equipped with servo controllers on all axes. The advantages of using servo controllers compared to traditional frequency inverters are several. Closed loop encoder feedback enables us to have dynamic machine movements with millimeter precision even at very high speeds. We have chosen to use absolute encoders on all axes for positioning. This has given us the possibility to run without a traditional homing procedure. Furthermore, the absolute encoders enables us to make immediate restart after power failure, no need for manual emptying of the machine, homing procedures, etc. Servo controllers has enabled us to reuse all braking energy, removing the frequency inverters' ineffective braking resistors. This has led to a compact cabinet design without any heat problems. The kinetic energy recovery system reduces the overall power consumption with 15 to 20% compared to all traditional controls. So we can actually state that our machines are green. Our control system can be remotely accessed by the Ehcolo service team, ensuring a high stability rate with a minimum production downtime. The VPN router should just be connected to the customer's standard network, no additional settings and IPs needed. A feature that makes the world smaller and enables us to make instant worldwide support without having to travel. A system that has been very welcomed by our customers. The 15-inch operator panel gives the operator a clear view of the machine's different running states. Easy setup of all running parameters through our visual layer editor program. I'll just go through some steps. You see, user-friendliness is a key word in our control system.
Thank you for taking the time to visit our factory. If you want to know more about our palletizers, our energy savings systems, etc., and also our supply of turnkey packing lines, please contact us. Then we will find the best solution for your company. And last not least, if it's possible to make palletizers better than ours, then we will do it ourselves.